Thanks for coming out to Lakeland Ford. My name is Ken Bruni, one of the sales managers. We have an F-150 Black Widow Edition on sale right now. It has a 6-inch lift, unique deep dish wheels, fender flares, upgraded hood, even the gauge cluster on the inside has got Black Widows on it. This one here lists for $73,945 and you can buy it right now for $66,695. This week on sale we have an EcoSport. This is a 2018 EcoSport, upgraded alloyed wheels, power windows, door locks, keyless entry, Bluetooth, and a backup camera. Right now you can drive this one for $117 or you can buy it for $223 right here at Lakeland Auto Mall. We have a 2018 Ford Fusion on special. This one here has got the appearance package, upgraded wheels and spoiler, tinted windows, keyless entry, power steering, Bluetooth, backup camera, loaded with features. You can drive this one for $161 or buy it for $259. Come in and see us at Lakeland Ford.